Are you tired of traditional static whiteboards that limit your creativity and restrict your ability to engage with your audience? Do you struggle with cumbersome equipment and outdated technology that hinders your productivity and collaboration? Well, say goodbye to those headaches with the 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor, a revolutionary smartboard that's poised to transform the way you work and learn. This innovative device addresses a significant pain point in the market by providing an interactive and immersive experience that seamlessly integrates with Android 11.0 OS. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, the 55-inch smartboard bridges the gap between traditional whiteboards and modern digital tools, offering a versatile and intuitive platform that's perfect for both personal and professional use. Let's dive into the design and build quality of this impressive device. The 55-inch smartboard boasts a sleek and modern aesthetic, with a stunning full HD 1080p display that's sure to captivate your audience. The touchscreen monitor itself is made of high-quality materials, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish that can withstand the demands of frequent use. One of the standout features of this device is its 10-point multi-touch functionality, which allows you to use multiple fingers to zoom in and out of images, make notes, and annotate documents without the need for a stylus or external drivers. But what really sets the 55-inch smartboard apart is its remarkable ease of use. With no installation required and plug-and-play functionality, you can start using this device right out of the box. The intuitive interface is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for anyone to navigate and find their way around the various features. Plus, the device's adjustable brightness ensures that you can customize the display to suit your surroundings and preferences. Now, let's take a closer look at the advanced features that make the 55-inch smartboard a true showstopper. As soon as you turn it on, you're greeted by the Android 11.0 OS, which offers a vast array of possibilities for customization, integration, and expansion. With a powerful RK3568 processor for gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of ROM, this device is capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. Whether you're streaming videos, editing documents, or multitasking across multiple apps, the 55-inch smartboard delivers a seamless and lag-free experience. One of the most exciting features of this device is its ability to download and install apps from the Play Store, just like a regular Android tablet. This opens up a world of possibilities, from social media and video conferencing to learning platforms and creative tools. You can access popular services like Gmail, Skype, Disney+, Netflix, and YouTube, making it an ideal device for both personal and professional use. In terms of connectivity, the 55-inch smartboard features a range of options to suit your needs, including 2x USB ports, an HDMI port, and a TF/SD card slot. This ensures that you can plug in external devices, transfer files, and expand your storage capacity with ease. So how does the 55-inch smartboard perform in real-world use cases? To put to the test, we used it in a typical classroom setting to see how it would handle lessons, interactive activities, and multimedia presentations. The results were nothing short of impressive. Students were able to easily participate in group activities, take notes, and engage with the material in a way that was previously impossible with traditional whiteboards. In terms of performance, the 55-inch smartboard delivered smooth and responsive interactions, even with multiple users working simultaneously. The device's advanced multitasking capabilities allowed us to stream videos, display websites, and edit documents without any lag or slowdown. We were also impressed by the device's excellent audio quality, which made video conferencing and online meetings a breeze. Of course, no review would be complete without discussing the pros and cons of the 55-inch smartboard. One of the standout advantages of this device is its ability to seamlessly integrate with a range of software and hardware platforms, making it an ideal solution for schools and businesses looking to upgrade their technology infrastructure. However, there are a few areas where the 55-inch smartboard falls short of perfection. For example, the device's battery life could be improved, and the lack of wireless connectivity options might be a drawback for some users. Additionally, the device's storage capacity is limited to 32 gigabytes, which may not be sufficient for users who require a large amount of storage for multimedia files and documents. When compared to competing products on the market, the 55-inch smartboard stands out for its impressive range of features, intuitive interface, and seamless integration with Android 11.0 OS. While other devices may offer similar functionality, none quite match the 55-inch smartboard's unique combination of ease of use, advanced features, and durability. So what's the verdict? Is the 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor worth the investment? In short, yes. With its cutting-edge technology, intuitive interface, and versatile features, this device is an ideal solution for anyone looking to elevate their productivity, collaboration, and creativity. Whether you're a teacher, entrepreneur, or student, the 55-inch smartboard is a game-changer that's sure to deliver a transformative experience. In conclusion, the 55-inch interactive touchscreen monitor is a must-have device for anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve in today's fast-paced digital landscape. With its sleek design, advanced features, and seamless integration with Android 11.0 OS, this device is poised to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and interact. So why wait? Get your hands on the 55-inch smartboard today and discover a world of limitless possibilities.